Alright guys, so yesterday we revised our sentence by combining it into a compound. Now, our second thing we're going to do to our sentence is we are going to add some description to it, okay? By describing, I'm going to describe the wind and I'm going to describe the leaves, okay? So I'm just going to add a descriptor, a descriptive word, an adjective, okay? So second thing we're going to do is add adjectives. Because I know nothing about the wind right now. Okay, so I'm going to make my wind in my sentence cold. Alright, so and instead of cold, I'm going to put frigid. Frigid is another word that means cold. If I can spell it, the frigid wind was blowing, comma, and I need to describe the leaves, and I'm going to say they're colorful, because if they're falling, I think about fall and autumn and all the colors of our leaves. So I'm going to say the colorful leaves were falling. Okay, so now I've added some adjectives, and I've gone from the wind was blowing, the leaves were falling, to the frigid wind was blowing and the colorful leaves were falling. Alright, so I want you to add a couple of adjectives into your sentence and see what kind of description you can